Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I'm here to teach you SST Standard 2, Chapter 8 in lecture number 2. It means the part 2. So here is the first topic is what the police station. So just let's go to the topic. I'm reading, you also read with me. Now, a police station is a place where the police work. Police station is what? It is the place where police work. It is the places where police work, where the normal people will not go, only police will go and they will work. The police make our neighborhood safe. Yes, it saves us from the criminal. So the police station is what? If police is our neighborhood, then it makes all the neighborhood what? Safe from the criminal. They protect us from all kinds of danger. Police is what? It protect us. They protect us from all kind of dangerous. It protect us from all kind of dangers. We go to a police station when there is a robbery or violence. When we will go to the police station, we will go to the police station when in our homes the robberies are there or the violence are there. So for that we will go to the police station to report a police station, to file the FIR, and then the all process, the police will come our home and then he will just do the process. So that's why the police is what? It helps us in any danger zone. Police officer look after the police station and is there to help us in times of trouble. So police officer is what? It looks the police station and it helps us the normal people also when they are in trouble. To call up the police for help, suppose that we are in anywhere, any places, and we need some help, some supports of any police. For that we can simply dial 100. It means 100. So for that what? We can call the 100. So within minutes the police will come and then they will help us. So police is what? It helps us in any time when we need. So what? A good neighbor is what? A good neighbor always have a police station, so that police will save us from all the dangerous zone. Next topic is page number 44. It's the post office. Post office. We can send letters through a post office. Now post office is what? Suppose that our family members, they live like in another states, another cities. Nowadays we have the telephone, but like some things, like some in festivals like Rakhis are there, and if we want to send that things to the person, to give that person, for that what? We go to the police station. So we go to the post office and then we can what? We can send the letters. So what? That's why we send the letters through a post office. We get stamps, postcard and stamped envelopes here. So it's not that we can send a letter in a simple paper. No, it is not like that. It's not that much easy also. First of all, we will go to the post office and we will get the stamps there and then a stamp envelope, and then what? A letter box is kept here in which we can drop our letters in stamped envelopes. So you can see the picture here, stamped is there, then a postcard, then a post office. So here this one is the stamp here, it can be in a envelope, and then after is postcard, it is that to whom you are sending, where, then which state, which road number, and these all it is written in the postcard. And then after we can just put the letters where? In the letter box. Then after that this process who will do? The postman or the postwoman. So they will take that all letters and then they will go to reach our letters from that to whom we are sending. So postman or a postwoman collects the letter from the letter box. So what we the letters we are just kept in the letter box, from there who will collect? The postman or the postwoman, they will collect. Next what? She also brings us our letters. In fact, the postman what? They also brings our letters also. We can even send parcels and money order through a postcard. In fact, we can send any parcel also or any money also through what? Through a postcard. A money order allows us to send money from one place to another. Money order is what? It allows what? To send money from one place to another. Next is what? Next good neighborhood is what? It's a hospital. Now next go to the topic. We go to hospital when we are sick. When we are sick. There are many doctors and nurses in the hospital. If we are going, then we can see that there are many nurses and doctors are there in the hospital. Doctors treat us when we are not well. Doctor treat us when we are not well. They give us medicine and help us get well again. And then afterward they gives us medicine and then help us to get well again. A nurse look after us in the hospital. So after the surgery and these all, the nurse will look after us. He will give the medicine, he will just give the juice and whatever the drinks are there. A good hospital can also an ambulance that takes us to the hospital in case of emergency. In fact, if a good hospital is there, then a good hospital what? It always has a ambulance. Ambulance what? It's like a vehicles of van which helps us to take into the hospital when there is an emergency. So what? It takes us what? It takes us to the hospital when in case of emergency. So we can dial 102 to call an ambulance. So suppose in any emergency cases are there, like in highway and roadways, and if we want to call like doctors and ambulance, then for that we can call what? 102 to call an ambulance. Some neighborhoods do not have a hospital. Suppose in some neighborhoods they do not have hospitals, because hospitals it's a very big like big rooms are there and many doctors are there. So hospital is what? It is not available in every neighborhood. For that case, they have a doctor's clinic called a dispensary. So they have what? Small doctor in a one room or two room doctor clinics are there, so that the sick people are going and they just take the medicines to get well again. So that doctor clinics are called what? Dispensary. Dispensary is what? A small clinic which has only a few doctors which helps us and treat us and gives us medicines. A dispensary is not as big as hospital. It's not that much big as hospital. It has only a few doctors. In dispensary it has what? Only few doctors who treat us and who supplies us medicines to when we are ill. Next and last topic is what? It's a fire station. Fire station. So we call up the fire station when there is a fire. Suppose in our house or in neighborhood, if too much fires are there, so for that time what? We just call the fire station. We call the fire station to what? When there is a fire. A fire station has a red fire engine and firefighters are called the fire brigade. In fact, a fire station what? It has a red fire engine and the firefighters who are there, the people for that we can call what? Fire brigade. They come and help us to put out a fire. So they help what? When we will call, and they will help us to what? To put a fire. To put out a fire. We can dial 101 to call up the fire station. We can call what? 101 to call the fire station. So 100 we can call the police station, 102 we can call hospital when there is emergencies, and 101 when there is a fire, then we can call the fire station, so that immediately we can get these all helps. So your chapter has completed. So till chapter 7 if you have completed in your fair copy, then you can write down the new words chapter 8 in your fair copy. Thank you and have a nice day. Again I will back to teach you the next chapter. Till that, be safe and stay happy at home.